Hello Blender artists, if you are one of those artists who a lot of time you find yourself scrolling through this little menu over here looking for some specific image because you use a lot the image editor of Blender, I have this add-on that will help you, that will make your life easier. It is called RefMate. So it will help you to scroll through all the images of your file. Also, as you can see in this file, there's a lot of texture. So if we activate this, we can hide the textures and see only the reference, which I think is very helpful. We can also filter by the name of the image, which image we want to see. So if we put here blueprint, we will see only images with blueprint in their name. Blueprint side, blueprint front. It got some other basic stuff like rotate image, mirror image, full screen, in case that for some reason you want to see that, any image in full screen mode. We can also open the folder where any image is stored at. We can add also any image as a reference in our scene. And in case that we don't want any certain image anymore in our file, we can just erase it from here.